I'm Jesse, I'm with Kelly Hydro Supply. Today we'll be erecting a 145 grow lab. Here we have our base rods that are going to help support the tent. It comes with 4 for the bottom and 4 for the top. These rods are 4 as well, and they'll actually help to the vertical portion of the tent. And they'll also link with another part of the tent that has insertion parts. These components are the actual top supports. It comes with 4, but they're not exactly the same. One is going to be a little bit offset on the hook ends, having more of a depth in order for the shorter ones to countersink inside. Here are the struts. Everything's going to pretty much be placed into these. We're going to have approximately 8 of these, 4 for the top, 4 for the bottom. And here's our tent. I've already taken it out of the box. It's a Grow Lab again, very good brand. Has a reflecting inside of it. I'm going to lay it out here. The first thing we're going to do is put the inside supports in. You know, you can put one of these right on the corner. Set one of these right inside here. Put the strut right in. Like that, just like that. I'll put another one right on the side here. Just insert it. Goes down really nice and easy there. I'll take another strut over this corner. Goes in quite easy. Sit it right down in there. 2 more to go. Okay, there's the bottom part all erected. Next we'll take these rods here. As you can tell, it has the beveled in. We're going to insert these with the fatter end into the strut. There's one there. It's going to have 4 of them. And you're going to put one in each corner. The large end first. So you have these 4 equal parts, and then we've already pre-erected the top portion of it. And these parts don't have a beveled end, but are straight. And you can either build them individually, or do as I've done here and get some help, and then you can just set it right on top of there. I'm going to have Billy help me set this on top here. We're going to go spin it. Set it right in there. Now we're going to have to put the cross supports on here. We have 4 cross supports. 2 have a longer hook, and we want to put those on first because the other ones are going to have to go on top, directly on top. Snap right in there. So you got the 2 up here going in this direction, and the other 2 are going to go in the opposite direction, creating a sort of grid. There. Right across here. Snap this one in. Snap this one in. There. these supports can definitely support a light, anywhere from a triple XL hood to a Radiant 8 to any sort of sunlight or hydroform hood, and it makes it quite easy to hang from these rods. Now we're going to go ahead and put the rest of the tent together. It's basically all connected here, as you can tell. It has the seam there, the seam here, and probably need a little help, maybe another person. We're going to call Billy in to help us again. Make it a lot easier, so you can just kind of flap it right over. And here's your top portion of it. You can see it from there. So we're going to come right up over it. There we go. Okay. So now the tent's almost done, actually. And what you'll do next is they have some side zippers, as you can tell. Up the side here, there's all these zippers right here. And you'll just go right ahead and zip it right up. And then the bottom also has a zipper. Great stitch on these tents. The zippers are very durable. And as you can tell, it also has Velcro here for some additional protection. This particular unit actually has a window. You can view Velcro. And what you'll do is you'd actually roll this up. And there's a Velcro right in here in the seam. And it'll stay right there for you. So now, we also have one last piece to this particular tent. It actually has a sort of a liner for the bottom in case of any spillage. And this goes directly inside, so you can just unzip here. Just open the door. This liner is designed to capture any sort of debris or water that might escape. Just get it right in here. In the next video, we're going to be installing a light and showing how to ventilate it with these ports. In the meantime, visit us at kellyhydrosupply.com.